Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Journal Office Asia and International Law for publishing this article titled COVID-19 Pandemic, a Demand for Malaysia to Support Refugees under International and Domestic Law. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zuraini Ab Hamid. And the co-author of this paper is Associate Professor Dr. Muhammad Hisham Muhammad Kamal, and we are law lecturers at Ahmad Ibrahim Kuliah of Laws International Islamic University, Malaysia. This research paper is funded under FRGS grant, sponsored by Ministry of Higher Education of Malaysia. So thank you very much for that. So when we talk about the refugee, the refugee issue in Malaysia, basically there are demands, a lot of demand from international organizations, also domestic institutions, especially from NGO, for the government of Malaysia to protect and give continuous assistance to the refugee, regardless whether they have document or not, whether they are registered with UN or not. Therefore, based on this main issue, we have conducted research on refugee on few aspects, and one of them in regards with the international and domestic law. Basically, there are three main findings in these articles. The first one, under international law, Malaysia is not a state party to 1951 Refugee Convention and its 1967 protocol. Therefore, all obligations stated in both of the convention and protocol is not applied to Malaysian government. And second finding, there is no specific or domestic legislation governing the issue of refugee. So when we have cases involving refugee, Malaysian authorities will refer to the related law, for example, immigrations law and criminal law. However, it is also our main finding that even though Malaysia is not state party to any refugee protocol and convention, and Malaysia has no specific legislation governing the refugee issue in Malaysia, Malaysia adopting the principle established in the protocol and the convention. Malaysia also apply the UDHR principle on human rights basis. UDHR referred to Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948. Malaysia gave refugee access to education, right to live, for example, and healthcare services. And during the pandemic of COVID-19, there are few vaccination programs where the government of Malaysia gave the vaccines free without any charge to the refugees. As a conclusion, yes, we agree that Malaysia should prioritize its local citizen, Malaysian citizen, but at the same time, Malaysians should assist the refugee. However, it must be based on Malaysians' ability, based on its economic and social ability. So I hope that you can read the article, and please enjoy reading the article. If you have any question or any issue, feel free to discuss with me. You may contact me at zurainihamid@iium.edu.my. That's all from me. Thank you very much again. Bye-bye.